Good morning, children. Let's move on to the advantages of friction. We'll see that what are the advantages of friction. You all know, children, friction helps us in walking and running. Whenever we are walking or running, there is friction between the foot and the ground. And it is because of this friction that we do not slip. And when do you slip? You always slip when there is water in the ground, or if you step on a banana peel. What will happen? Because when you step on a banana peel, or if there is water, what will happen? The banana peel is smooth and it will reduce the friction, and when friction is reduced, you will slip and fall. Friction also helps us to write, draw, whatever we are doing, writing, drawing, it is all because there is friction between the paper and the pen. Okay, when the teacher is writing, there is friction between the chalk and the board. In the same way, tires of vehicles, you all must have noticed, children, there is tires of the vehicle. They all have got special grooves. You can see in this figure here, as well as you must, if you have seen the new tires, have you seen the grooves in the tires? What does these grooves do? These grooves, they have friction in them, and this will have good grip on the road. And when the tire gets old, the surface becomes smooth, and then when you apply brake, it will take more time to stop. So, and there are more chances of accidents when the tire has become old. So the new tire, this also has, this helps us from the vehicles from skidding. Then you have got the force of friction. It helps to hold the nails and the screws on the walls or in the wood, whatever it is holding, because of the friction. Otherwise it will not hold. Okay, then you all have studied that, you all know that friction produces heat. A matchstick, when you light a matchstick, what happens? Because of the friction between the matchbox and the stick, as soon as we strike it, it burns. The wood can be cut with the help of an axe due to friction between the axe and the wood. Okay, then you all know that the shoes of the athletes, have you noticed the shoes of the athletes? There are spikes on the shoes. Why there is spike on the shoes? Because this spike will increase the friction, and when friction is increased, you will not fall easily. Okay, then in the same way, if you have to do small jobs like opening the lid of a bottle or the top of a pen, you must have noticed that if there is oil in your hands, what happens? It will slip. If there is oil in your hand, it will slip. But if you apply powder to your hands, you will not be able, if you apply some powder, your hands will not slip. So all these are advantages of friction. Now we will move on to the disadvantages of friction. What are the disadvantages of friction? Now, along with advantages, there are disadvantages also. What are they? You all know, children, when we wear same pair of shoes for many months together, the soles of the shoes wear out. Why it is so? Because of the friction between the ground and the shoe. The pencil that we use to write, the chalk that we use, all get smaller and smaller after some time. कुछ दिनों के use के बाद सब छोटे छोटे हो जाते हैं. Why is it so? Because of the friction. The eraser gets small in size. Then just now I told you, tires of vehicles, they wear out due to constant use. So if the vehicles, the tires worn out, what will happen? The serious accidents can take place. So because of friction, there is wear and tear take place. Then in factories where machinery is in use all the time, it can create, what will happen? The parts of the machines becomes hot. It becomes heated up and it wears out quickly. जल्दी खराब हो जाते हैं. Then friction produces heat. You all know that. That is why engines of the cars and machines, it becomes hot after running for some time. Then in the same way, the branches of the trees which rub against each other, it can cause forest fire. Then friction reduces the speed of moving vehicles to a great extent. Even the friction can reduce the speed of the vehicles if the tires and all are properly grooved. So you can see that there are disadvantages as well as advantages of friction. So friction is actually, if you see, friction is a necessary evil. It is necessary plus it is evil. Okay, children. So like matchsticks, just now as I told you, when we strike the matchstick, this can continuous striking of the matchstick, it can create fire, and it can be very very dangerous. The fire can be dangerous. Then the tire of the wheel, as I told you just now, has rough surface and to have more of a friction, and if there is no friction in the vehicle will skid, resulting for accidents. So friction is very very necessary in our day to day life, because without friction we cannot set the bodies in motion, nor we can stop the moving bodies. नाइदर यानी ना ही हम मोशन में लेके आ सकते हैं, ना ही हम लोग मूविंग ऑब्जेक्ट को स्टॉप कर सकते हैं. ऑन द अदर हैंड फ्रिक्शन ऑल्सो वेस्ट एनर्जी. एनर्जी भी वेस्ट होता है, brings about wear and tear and slows the motion. So you see children, friction is a necessary evil. Why is it a necessary evil? Because without it also we cannot do our activity, and with it also we lose some energy and speed. So I hope children that this much is clear to all of you. The rest will continue in the next class. Till then, be safe.